Alright guys, so today we're here heading to Marilaque. We're going to be taking the scooter slash bike. Got Justin, I'm riding with him, and then we got Zidane and JR with us, so let's get it. We got a flat tire, unfortunately. We had to stop. Butt is killing me, back is killing me, but now we're taking a break. Alright, we got our buko juice. It's really loud here because we're on the main street, but it's good. Well needed, well needed. That again. We almost had it. Luckily we were at a tire shop right in front of us, so we'll get it fixed.
Buti yan, umpisa pa lang. Mahirap yun, doon ka na sa medyo liklik eh.
May inflator naman ako dyan, hindi ko lang ginamit. Mahirap kasi hanapin ng ano eh.
Buti yan, medyo ano.
Biglang nahulog eh.
Biglang pinana.
Alright, so we stopped. We're gonna get something to eat down here. That boy running to get some food. You hungry? That boy hungry. It's a nice looking place right here. It's 10 o'clock, they just opened. Yo, look at this spot.
Hey, swimming fork. Sinigang. Gusto naman talaga eh. Uy!
Oh, there is. We have a visitor. This place is really good, guys. Come check it out.
Good spot.
With a good view. Good spot with a good view. Alright, we're going up the hill. Gonna meet the bikes up there. Gonna drive it up this tall hill. And we'll be back on the road. Let's go. I think these dogs want beef. They walking up to me like they want some beef. See, look, look. Oh, they want beef with each other. They don't want beef with me. You don't want beef with me, brother. You don't want. Yeah, keep walking. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's a cave.
lang. Apat to eh. Apat. Oh. Ha?
Ooh, oh, I'm zoomed in. Let me zoom out. We made it to the first waterfall. Ooh, that's a long drive. It is 1:10. We left at 7, so around 6 hours and 10 minutes. Let's get it. Ready to our first waterfall.
It's a long snake.
I know, look at this snake.
See?
I'll see if I can zoom in. Look at that snake he's carrying. That literally was in over here next to the water or in the water.
You're making it an adobo.
Making it adobo?
Yeah.
Holy crap, look at it. I am not eating that. Look at him dragging it. That's a long snake. Holy crap. I don't know what kind it is. What's he gonna do with it? There it goes.
It's too long.
Live, baby. The waterfalls. I wanna go up top. Let me show you. Go. You gotta go where it's colder. You gotta wear. Hey, Zidane. It's colder up there. It'll be colder up there. Gotta go to the top. Alright, let's see how the water feels. Oh, that is cold. That is super cold. That's a good picture. I want to get that picture.
What?
I want to get that picture. That's a good picture.
You wanna go up there?
Yeah.
I don't know how you will get up.
I'll get up there. Watch. I'll get up there. Wait. Thank God you could get a thumbnail. I even have a little baby cud. The water is freezing though. But it's fun. Zidane jumped in the water. That means I gotta jump in the water. Ooh. Get it. Cold?
Yeah.
Actually, it's warmer right there. Alright, let me go put my phone up so I can get in. Alright, this guy's right in my path. Look at him. Big boy! What you doing, big boy? Good. Yeah, cold. We got us a little tent camp thing over here. It's been a long trip just to get here. JR's pretty tired. People need to take a nap. I'm alive though. Even though I'm running on a few hours of sleep, still alive. Whew. Big rooster. Big rooster. I want to see if I can pet him. Can I pet you, rooster? Can I pet you? No. He's not gonna let me pet him. Nope. I just want to pet him. Got a little store over there. Might go check it out. See what I got. Oh, that's cold. That is cold. Whew. They ain't swimming like a fish over there. Oh God. It is freezing. Oh, this is like an ice bath right now, and it's not even cold outside here. I mean, it's not even hot outside. Look, I'm so cold that I'm like, can't even talk straight. But it is not that hot here. It's actually pretty cold. We were driving, it kept getting colder and colder for some reason. Whew. What is it? Huh? There's a crab in there? There's a crab. Yeah? We'll have to review footage for that one. We'll review footage for that one. See. I'm not getting tan today at all. I didn't even need to bring sunscreen, but I did. No sun. Well, the sun's out, but it's not right here. It's all shaded. It is 4 o'clock and the mist has rolled in. We got a little rain on. Got a little foggy. As you can see here, I'll show y'all. Look at the fog. It's very foggy now. No more sun at all. If there was sun, just a little bit. But it is actually very cold. Yo, and look at this. Look at my arm. I don't know if y'all can see this. The red part. That's where I had my sleeve rolled up when we were riding, and I guess I got a little bit of sunburn. I got sunburn on my face too and don't even notice it. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna head and get something to eat pretty soon. Might get a hotel or something to get some rest and head out really early in the morning and get back. So we'll see. Alright, so there's a dog in a cage up here, and there's an alien with a what?
Bro got that gat.
Bro got that gat. There's right there. There's an alien with a gat in the cage with him. That's crazy.
Picture tayo.
Oh.
Diyan na muna din. Nanguuto.
Do it again. What you got? Okay. Okay. Let's see you do that in person. Yo, look at this. I thought this was dope. That's just so cool. Is it real? Yeah, it's real, and they like. That is dope. Alright, guys, so we stopped at another place. We're trying to look for a hotel to take a quick nap in. Supposedly, a lot of bloggers have been here. A lot of stickers, decals. Take y'all in if I can. This place looks pretty chill too. All these places look pretty chill. Alright, we're gonna stay the night here. Look at this view. Yo, look at that. Got a pool down there. A little lake over there. You can't see because it's very foggy. But look at this. This is nice. KM90. Pretty dope. See if I can walk y'all around. Show y'all this. Boy, if you don't put your little thing away. Oh, we got some koi fish. Look how big that one is. Holy crap. That's a big boy. Got some butterflies up there. I don't know if I can walk around here, but I am walking around here. I just want to see what's around. Kind of curious. Big old flower. Another view. Open wide. Let me see those teeth. Let's see if they're healthy. They look kind of healthy, I guess. They're hard as a rock. Let's see. The two buck teeth. Yep. Michael Strahan gap. But they're still in there. You're doing good, my friend. Oh, oh. The man surprised me. He looks surprised. He surprised me. Got a new friend that thinks he can just go lay on my lap. Excuse me. Excuse me. So these are our sleeping arrangements for the night. Little teepee house. Oh. Thank you. Little teepee house for $1,000 a night. Let's see what it looks like. Nice.
I know.
That's what $1,000 a night gets you here. Let's see what theirs looks like. Same thing. Small. $1,000 a night though? Like 21 bucks a night. That's crazy. Now I gotta find the showers.
There's a bathroom there.
Bathroom? Alright, bet. I am on a journey to find out what their shower looks like. They have a little amenity kit and it has like soap, toothbrush, and toothpaste and everything. So let's go see if I can get a shower or something because I still got that water on me. And it's been raining on me, so let's see if we can see what the shower looks like. I think we're here. Let's see what it looks like. We'll look together. Turn around, camera. Oh, alright. Let's see what we got. Here's the bathroom. Okay. Okay. So we got a tabo bucket shower, but the toilet's right in the middle. Yeah, this might not work. This might not be the night I shower. Yuck. That looks pretty clean in there. And it's cold. Yeah. We'll just try to get some sleep tonight, I guess. Yo, look at this big ass frog. That thing is huge. That thing's like the size of my foot. Holy crap. Alright, but anyways guys, this is pretty much gonna sum up the night. I'm gonna get some sleep, pretty tired. I thank y'all for watching, and make sure y'all tune in for the next one. We upload a video every week, so I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!